How to change the Thrustmaster T300 wheel. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly and safely change the steering wheel ring on your Thrustmaster 300. Let's get started. Step 1. Power off and unplug. First, turn off your console or PC and unplug the T300 from both power and USB. Always do this before making any changes to your setup. Step 2. Remove the current wheel. Look underneath the wheel hub and locate the quick release locking screw. Loosen it by turning in counterclockwise. Once loose, pull the ring straight off the base, gently but firmly. Step 3. Attach the new wheel ring. Grab your new compatible Thrustmaster wheel ring. Align the pins and notches with the shaft on the T300 base. Push it straight until it feels snugly. Then, tighten the locking screw clockwise to secure it. Step 4. Reconnect and test. Now, plug everything back in and power it on. The wheel will auto-calibrate. Open your racing game or the Thrustmaster control panel on PC to check if all buttons and inputs work. Tip. Quick tip. Never force the ring in or out. If it does not slide smoothly, check the alignment of the connector. And that's it. That was a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your Thrustmaster T300 steering wheel ring. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.